Hey guys, my name is Jim Aspel. I'm a board certified workers' compensation attorney in Farmington, Connecticut. I wanted to take a minute today and just talk to you about some of the common hazards and sources of work injury claims that we see on construction sites. I'm on this job site in Farmington. It's an interior construction site. And one of the most common mechanisms of injury we see are falls off ladders such as this. The ladder has a certain number of steps, and then as you'll see, they typically advise you not to go above a certain level. What we find time and time again is that various contractors do exceed the limitations on that ladder, and they're trying to go just a step above where they're supposed to be going. They fall off and they sustain an injury. So that's a pretty common commercial job site injury that we do help people with quite frequently. Another one of the more common things that we see, as you can see on the floor here, we've got some paint cans, got some additional construction debris, a thing of drywall compound, and then there's some various electrical components that the contractors left lying around. So, that's another source of injury that we do see, and those are trips and falls on construction sites. Typically, somebody inadvertently falls over a can of paint like we see on the floor here, or some other random debris, and they sustain frequently what we see as an ankle sprain, or in worst case scenarios, an ankle fracture. So those are pretty common as well. There are electrical hazards on a construction job site. There aren't too many on this. There's nothing I can really point out here that looks extraordinarily hazardous, is what I'm trying to say. But in any event, workers' comp is a no-fault system. So basically what that means is that unless you were intoxicated or you were involved in horseplay or fighting with a coworker or something of that nature, whether or not you've exceeded the height limits of that ladder like I talked about, or you're not looking where you're going and you fall over a paint can on the floor, if you sustain an injury on a construction job site in Connecticut, then typically you are going to be covered under workers' compensation. So hope that's at least slightly informative. If you have any questions about any construction job site claims, give us a call. We're in Farmington, 860-523-8783. You can visit our website. It's www.aspellaw.com. We do have a Facebook group, Ask a Connecticut Workers' Compensation Attorney. You're more than welcome to post a question there. If you enjoyed this video or found it even remotely helpful, please feel free to give us a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about Connecticut workers' compensation law, we do drop these videos from time to time. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button down below, and you'll be notified when a new video is posted. Okay, hope you have a good day, and please be careful out there. Thanks.